What's up everybody, whydavis here, back with another review. So I'm showing you guys the Air Jordan 11 Low Craft. Alright guys, these officially came out today. Today was kind of busy. They did a shock drop on the J Balvin's, which will come out tomorrow. These shoes will also go down in value. I mean, if you guys do not know the history of Air Jordan J Balvin shoes, the 1, the 2, and now the 3, they start off always very high, and then when they finally do come out, a lot of pairs get pushed out and they do go, just over retail. Now this one is one of the better ones, or the best one in my opinion out of the whole 3 so far. It's very neutral when it comes to colors. So they're still sitting at around $350, but a few days ago they were at 4 and some change. So with that being said, with the J Balvin website literally just selling out of the shock drop, these will go down in value, especially tomorrow when they do release on sneakers. It may go down a little bit because not a lot of boutiques have this shoe right here. But let's get into it, guys. So this is the shoe right here. Also, the iPhone 15 came out today, and I had to get a new phone because I haven't got a phone since I think I had the 13. And I always buy my phones out in full because it is cheaper that way. And then you put your phone on prepaid, and I have Verizon. I pay like $50 a month. I have unlimited data, gigabytes, all that other stuff. When you do pay for this type of stuff, monthly, you do get charged a little bit more. Like your bill is never the same, which I never understood, because it's supposed to be unlimited everything anyway, but then my bill still ends up being a different number. But anyway, let's get into it, guys. So this is the box right here. We do get the Jubilee box. I believe that's the box that we did see this on before, the Jubilee 11. And this is the shoe. I did go to size 9.5 on here. As you guys see, we don't get just retail on the box, but the retail on this was $185. Back in the day when they used to make lower versions of shoes, it meant that the shoe would be cheaper. But for some reason, this shoe is still about the same price as a retail Jordan. But anyway, let's get into it, guys. So open up the top of the box here. We do get the black garbage bag on the inside of the box. And this is the shoe right here, guys. What do you guys think about this? This is a copper drop for you guys. Let me know in the comments box below. It's not a must-have in my opinion. It is a nice looking shoe though. And if you guys are wondering what IE stands for on the front of the box, it does mean international exclusive. Okay, this is the shoe though right here. What do you guys think, man? Copper drop. Let me know in the comments box below. But let's get right into it, guys. So on the bottom of the shoe here, you get this black translucent, as you guys can see, and it kind of has like that age effect to it. You guys can look at it really nicely on all throughout the bottom of the shoe right there. And we also see the Jumpman down there in white. On the insides of the shoe, we do see the black and silver carbon fiber. Looking at the midsole here, we see this white rubber on both the outside and the inside of the shoe. Coming up towards the base of the shoe here, they could have also called this shoe, the Air Jordan Low Canvas. Remind me of the Canvas 4 a lot. So if you guys didn't pick up that Canvas 4, you might want to pick these up because they do have some similarities. But looking at the inside of the shoe right here on the bottom half, we get this patent leather in black, which is a really nice touch. Up a little bit higher than that, we do get like this canvas material in black. Okay, once again, I do like the way these look, but in my opinion, it's not a must-have. It's a lot of stuff coming out, especially with the 8s coming out next week. That's a must-have for me because I didn't have that shoe growing up, so I have to have that in the collection. All right, looking at the toe box here, these will not crease up on you. You don't have to worry about wearing any wearable shoe trees in these, but if you do want to buy some wearable shoe trees, I have a crease piece code of whydavis. You guys can save yourself $5. Looking at the mudguard here, we do see that translucent bottom creeping up from the bottom of the shoe. We also do see a little bit of glue stains. We only do get one pair of laces on these, and they come with the black laces. It is mixed with mesh and patent leather. At the top here, we get the Jumpman in black. Okay, on the inside of the tongue here, I did go to size 9.5. The production dates on this was 02/15/23 to 05/02/23. Give you guys a quick look. And also on the inside of the tongue right here, it's like a brownish color. Normally that is all white. Let me know if you guys pairs came like this. I was able to get these from Finish Line this morning, so I'm not sure if this is something new or if this is just a defect. There's some tissue inserts on this shoe. The sock lining on this shoe is in black. All right, the actual insole on the shoe is in black as well, and it has a Jumpman on it. We don't get any sizing stickers on this shoe. On the back of the shoe, this is the Dream Cell insole, just to show you guys they are comfortable. Just underneath the actual insole, we see like a blue stamp in there, white, some black stitching. All right, and this Jordan 11 does have the elastic band tongue as well. Coming towards the back of the shoes here, we get like this neoprene on the back here at the top in black, more like gray netting there. And that's pretty much gonna do it for this shoe, guys. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys my foot is in the toe box right now. Okay guys, so this is what they look like on feet. Pretty clean in my opinion. Now I'm a true size 9. I'm gonna get 9.5 on my shoes. I did go up half a size on these, and I will say that they fit really good in my opinion. Now this is a true to size fitting shoe, but if you want a better wearing experience, have a wider foot, or just need a little bit of extra space, go up half a size in my opinion. Now I do have one shoe laced up and one shoe unlaced. This is normally how I like to wear my shoes, just in case you guys are wondering. And with this shoe being unlaced, I have no slippage on it, and it is a half of size up. I'm show you guys my foot is in the toe box right here. So I'm wiggling around, but if you guys cannot tell, my big toe is right here. So I do have a good amount of space in the front of the toe box. But like I said, these will not crease up on you. So I'll crease it right here, show you guys, you know, just bounce right back. Now, I don't really feel this material on the outside or on the inside of my foot. As you guys see, I have a lot of room in this toe box, especially with it being that canvas material. You know, it won't really rub on the top of your toes like other materials do. It is pretty soft to the touch, as you guys see when I'm touching on it. But other than that though, man, they feel really nice on feet. And I'm gonna show you guys with these like some different pants options right now. Okay guys, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.